Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video here. Guys, the way I laughed when I saw Utireno entering Umayeni's house, busy saying yebo baba. I'm just like, since when has Utireno been a yebo baba type of girl? I was just like, hi man, I am not used to this Tireno. Is this what main girlfriend vibes makes people act like? I shame. And guys, I can't be the only one who was hearing Ingatu Tireno speaks alike, or she was speaking like Umayeni in the manner that she was speaking. I don't know, maybe is it intentional or what, but tell me if you are picking up those vibes as well. But guys, Nokuzana, Musa says something, and I just kind of felt like, though he's saying it in a jokey way, there's a truth in this joke, man. He says to Utirelo, if you love my son, you will love Mzumbe. Now, Utirelo is adamant to agafunu klala Mzumbe, which, guys, by the way, if she does get married to this guy, I don't see ukuthi uzoyinqoba kanjani leyo mpi, because at the end of the day, guys, you are going to get married to the Mtombeni or the Mseleku family, and you know already before you get married into that family ukuthi these type of people are people with the mentality ukuthi ushaya sabi statulo. So even though she can say ukuthi no, me and you, we need to speak through stuff, like she's not gonna win with that, and she knows very well, you guys. I saw someone there on Twitter saying uti the way Umusa loves Uvuyo. If Uvuyo was the one saying uti she wants to stay in town or Emma Sabapini, that would have been up for discussion. But now that it's Utireno, it's not up for discussion. I'm just like, hi guys, why nifunu Uvuyo guys in everything? I don't think Umusa doesn't like Utireno, but I'm just like, Tireno, my babe. I shame Izingane Zesthembu apha, because these men are basically telling you ukuthi yay, this is you marrying into our family, and thus you are going to do the way we do things, Lana. I girl, all the best. All the best, you get girlie. I'm just hoping ukuthi during this whole thing you don't lose yourself, because yay, I'm seeing a different Tireno. This season, ingathi color one way, guys. Hey, kubuhlungu. Anyway, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.